Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Lalit Rao and I thank you for watching this video about great philosophers. Today I'm going to speak to you about the famous Greek philosopher Aristotle as a linguist. As a linguist, Aristotle is an important figure in the history of Western linguistics. He contributed enormously to logic, rhetoric, poetics, and for a specific classification of speech units. Aristotelian speech units included minimal sounds and syllables. Both of them are distinguished as units which don't have any individual meanings. Speech units as proposed by Aristotle included the sentences and its parts as meaningful units. Aristotle was also influential in developing the early system of parts of speech. Initially, it was hard to interpret. In later times, it was developed by Stoics. Many terms which are used in different grammars are from Aristotle's works. However, they are not in the same sense. Finite verb is a particular linguistic element which recurs at different intervals throughout the history of logic and linguistics. Lastly, the best example of Aristotelian analysis is that of a finite verb in which a participle is linked to its subject by copula. For example, is walking for the verb to walk. Thank you very much.